with the chapter Expert Detectives. And you please be sensible in the class, right? So what we have studied that Nishad and Maya, they have disagreement. Disagreement means that they were not ready on each other's point that Mr. Nath was a criminal. Maya was saying that Mr. Nath was a criminal. But what Nishad was saying, no, he was not. He was an ordinary man. So on page number 40, it is 22. It is page number 22. Let me check out. It is 88. 88 page we have read. Then we have read the next page also. But the last one I want to discuss with you. Last page I want to discuss with you again so that you can have an idea. Okay. So the last page, see. So finally, Nishad and Maya, they have disagreement that Mr. Nath was not a crook. What is the meaning of crook? Criminal. Okay, that he was not a crook. So what's the idea of bothering about him? Please tell me. So Nishad said, I don't think so that we need to bother him. There is no point in bothering him. Nishad looked thoughtful. I would like to find out why he is so thin and why he is so lonely. I want to know why he doesn't have any friends and lives alone. But Nishad said, before making him out to be a criminal, I think that I will find out the reasons. I think that I will find out the reason that why he is living such a lonely life, why he doesn't have any friends, why nobody is coming and visiting him, and I want to inquire. So try to understand 7. I told him if he's lived in Shankar house for a year and hasn't made a single friend, there's something wrong. Maya said, look, Nishad, he's living in this Shankar's house for almost 1 year, but he hasn't made even a single friend. It means that there is some problem with him. Jasmine is absent today? Okay, right. So, there's something wrong. He is obviously scared that someone will recognize him and give him to the cops. What is the reason that he is not making good friends? The reason is that somebody will find him, and he is always in fear that somebody will find him and hand him over to the police. So maybe no one's tried to make friends with him. Nishad protested, but Nishad said maybe this can also be the reason that no one is developing friendship with him. Why should anyone bother? You have seen what a nasty bear he is. Nasty bear means irritating person. She said, why one should make a friend with him? He is actually a nasty bear. He is an irritating man. Why one should bother to be a friend with him? I don't care, Nishad said stubbornly. Stubbornly means with firmness. No, what I'm saying is right. I like him and I'm going to try and be his friend. He said, actually, I like him. Now I will extend a hand towards him of friendship and he will be my friend. So, friends with a crook. Huh, you are crazy. 7, I said, Maya said, friend with that crook. Have you gone mad? This is really a crazy idea. So, the cops will take you to jail with him. Do you want that to happen? And you idiot, she said, you want that cops will take you also to the prison? Because when he will be arrested, the cops will also arrest his friends. And the cops will definitely arrest you. Right? So, Nishad merely glared. Glared means to have a look. He glared at me and quietly walked out of the room. My theory seemed to have made no impression on him at all. Finally, Nishad left the room, and what Maya was saying about him, it was not at all believed by Nishad. Yes, beta? Huh? Only just stand up from there. What's your name? Kanav, come to first desk. Come to first desk, please. So now, what we have read that it is not found whether Mr. Nath was a criminal or not. So what do you think? Do you think that Mr. Nath is a criminal? No. Okay. If no, why you are saying that he is not a criminal? Yes? We can't judge a book by its cover. Okay, right. Any other reason? Huh? We can't judge him
until we meet him personally.
Very good. Until we meet him personally. Okay, because third point is that if he's not developing for 1 year, he is living in Shankar's house. But has he caused any harm to any person there? Has he fought with anybody? No. He hasn't done any harm to any person. He hasn't fought with any person. So what is the reason? This is the reason that he is a good man. And moreover, if he is taking treatment from Nishad's mother, it means that he is suffering from some kind of problem. Okay? It is only Maya's imagination that she is taking him as a criminal. But without knowing much detail about a person, how can we say that he is a criminal? So we can't say that he is a criminal, of course. Okay? Yes? But actually we are thinking, we are making our ideas. Now coming up to comprehension check. Come up to comprehension check. The first question is, what did Nishad give Mr. Nath and why? Yes. Okay, right? Yes. First desk, quiet, please. First desk, silence. Yes. Speak louder. Very good. Excellent answer. Very to the point answer. So what did Nishad give? Nishad gave Mr. Nath a bar of chocolate. Please write down. No, you will note down only main points on rough. Because when I speak, you won't be able to catch it up. Okay, it will make your notebook dirty. So Nishad gave Mr. Nath a bar of chocolate. Okay, why? He gave him because he thought that he did not have money to purchase food, to buy food. And this is the reason why he was so thin. Okay, so thin. So he gave him a bar of chocolate to eat. So what he did, he gave him a bar of chocolate to eat. Right? This answer is clear to you all? Sure? Okay. Second question. What is strange about Mr. Nath's Sundays? What is strange about Mr. Nath's Sundays? Okay, what's your name? Harshia. Okay, speak out. Yes. There was a peculiar observation. Okay. Peculiar means strange. Peculiar observation by Maya and Nishad about Mr. Nath's Sunday, that the same visitor comes to his house on Sunday. Wait. Not regularly on Sunday. The same visitor comes to his house on Sunday, but he is not at all like Mr. Nath. He speaks a lot and has friendly nature. And they take lunch together. Wait. Chalo bolo. Wait, I'll speak again. Okay. There is a peculiar observation by Nishad and Maya about Mr. Nath on Sundays, that a special on Sundays that a visitor comes to his house. Okay, that what was the observation? That a visitor comes to his house. He is not like Mr. Nath, but is very friendly in nature, or but has very friendly nature, and they take lunch together. Yes, and they take lunch together. That's clear? They take lunch together. So that's clear. Understood? Next question is, why did Nishad and Maya get a holiday? Yes, Kanav.
Finally, Nishad and Maya schools reopened after summer holidays, and they got a holiday because on that day it was very heavy raining and lightning, and due to traffic, no one was
Very good. Good answer. Next girl, what's your name? Yes, heavy downpour. Sit down. Good, very good. Sit down. Harshia, next one I will ask you. Okay. So, why did Nishad and Maya get a holiday? Nishad and Maya get an unexpected holiday. Okay, it was not expected. An unexpected holiday. Nishad and Maya get an unexpected holiday as the monsoon broke out. Okay, as the monsoon broke out, and there was what? There was heavy downpour. What is the meaning of heavy downpour? Heavy rainfall. And there was heavy downpour which jammed the roads, or there was no traffic, or the traffic stopped, right? And the schools did not reopen. Right? So the schools did not reopen. And the schools, because there was heavy downpour and it jammed the roads, and the schools did not reopen. That's clear, this answer? Yes, ma'am. Okay, who will tell me this answer? Speak, who will speak? Wait a minute, yes, you speak. Arjun, speak louder. Because very good, because as the monsoon broke out, there was heavy downpour and it jammed all the traffic on the roads, and the school did not reopen. Right? All these three questions are clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Now coming up to the next comprehension check. Yes. See, the first part, this you can do on your books only. Note down on books. First is, What does Nishad find out about Mr. Nath from Ramesh? Arrange information. What he eats? Yes. He eats some dal and chapatis. What he eats, note it down on book only. Yes. Wait a minute. What he eats, speak out all. He eats. And one vegetable. What he eats. And one vegetable. Right. Stand up, you. 1 minute. Tell him. Stand up, Ita. Stand up. So what he eats dal, chapati, and one vegetable. Next is when he eats. Arjun. Stop, Ita. He eats 2 cups of tea. Sit down. Next. Wait. He eats. He brings meal every morning and evening. Sit down. He eats meal every morning and evening. Okay. So first of all, just see what you are speaking. You are speaking, ma'am. He eats 2 cups of tea. First of all, tell me, you drink tea or eat tea? This is your problem, that you people speak without thinking. Next one. Third one. What he drinks and when? Arushi. In the? Wait a minute, let her speak. He drinks 2 cups of tea. Very good. He drinks 2 cups of tea, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. No, afternoon. Speaks all of you. Speak all of you what he drinks. One in the afternoon. So what he drinks? And one in the afternoon. Next is how he pays. How, yes, Pita, how he pays. Yes, he used to pay in cash and tips generously. For how he pays. Stand up, please. How he pays. And Arjun, and he tips generously. Right in this manner. He pays and tips generously. Okay, he pays in cash and tips generously. Okay, now I'm going to ask you again. You people will tell me what he does. What he eats. Speak all what he eats. And one vegetable, right? And what he, when he eats. Okay. And what he drinks and when? One in the afternoon. And how he pays? And tips well. Okay. Next one. Next question is, why does Maya think Mr. Nath is a crook, and who does she say the Sunday visitor is? So the first question is, yes, Pita, you can speak. 1 minute. Speak again, please. First part. First of all, speak first part. Because he has no friends, no one to be one person who comes on Sunday. Very good. So what Maya thinks of Mr. Nath? Maya thinks of Mr. Nath as a crook because she thinks that he is living a lonely life, does not have any friends, no one comes to visit him, so he may be a crook who is. So what she thinks, Maya thinks Mr. Nath a crook because he lives a lonely life, or he lives a lonely life, right? He does not have friends. He with him we use does. He does not have friends. No visitor, or no one comes to visit him. No one comes to visit him, or he may have committed a crime and is now evading the police. Evading means avoiding. And he may have committed double M, double I, double TED, committed a crime and he is evading. See the examples of evading. Avoiding, running from the police. That he is evading the police. That he is evading the police. Yes. No. The second part is left. Second part is who does she say the second visitor is? What she says the second visitor is? Sunday visitor is an accomplice in his crime. She thinks that the Sunday visitor is an accomplice in his crime. No, she also thought that he is an accomplice in his crime and he is coming every Sunday to give his share of money to him. This she also thought, na? And he is coming every Sunday to give him his share of money. Okay, so how he is coming? He is coming every Sunday to give him his share of money. Right? Now it is clear? He is coming to give him his share of money. Right? So, till here, you have to do today. Huh? I haven't asked him that he is coming to give him his share of money. Now, 7th class, what you have to do today? You will write down these answers in your fair notebook. Comprehension check, yes. It means that earlier you were not doing comprehension check. Hai na? Yes, ma'am. Earlier we were also doing, Pawan. You people were not doing work with sincerity, but now I am going to check the notebooks here. So make your notebook side by side. I will take round daily to check how much work you have done. So what you will do today? First of all, you will make an index and then write down the question answers. Okay, so that's all for today.